Good evening, everyone. Here's your 2-minute weather brought to you by Flagler Weather Info with information from the National Weather Service office in Jacksonville, Florida. A pesky stalled front with disturbances lying along is going to keep things unsettled, at least for one more day. We should see improvements as we get towards the end of the week, though it's going to get a little bit breezy. Here's your forecast for tonight. Generally, mostly cloudy skies. You might see the moon a little bit out there, but you will see some rain. Looks like a decent shot of rain this evening, and then a running chance of additional showers, rain, or maybe some thunder overnight. Low temperatures generally in the mid to upper 70s across the area. Winds would be variable at less than 10 miles an hour. Looking at tomorrow, expect mostly cloudy skies with a chance of periods of rain, showers, and thunderstorms. Rainfall might be heavy at times, and again, just like today, there might be some substantial breaks in the action, and there could be some sustained periods of rainfall. Winds will be variable at 10 to 15 miles an hour. High temperatures generally getting into the lower to mid 80s. Tomorrow night, rainfall should begin to wind down as winds switch out of the north, with low temperatures generally falling into the lower to mid 70s, a little warmer at the beaches. Winds might shift out to north-northwest at 10 to 15 miles an hour. And looking at the rest of the week, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, generally breezy with a risk of a passing shower blowing in off the ocean. High temperatures in the lower 80s, lows generally in the 70s. Might see some lows in the upper 60s inland. It looks like we're going to continue those breezy to fair conditions Sunday into Monday. Highs in the 80s, lows in the 70s and 60s. Looking at the beaches now, surf is running 2 to 3 feet, 1 to 2 feet at times. Surf temperature 82 degrees. A low tide at 6:40 this evening. High tide 12:40 in the morning. Low tide 6:40 tomorrow morning. High tide 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Low tide 7:30 tomorrow night. In the intercoastal, high tide 5:40. Low tide 12 midnight. High tide 6 in the morning. Low tide 12 in the afternoon. And a high tide near 6:20 tomorrow evening in the intercoastal. So to sum it up, folks, just one more unsettled day of rain and clouds and mugginess, and then things will improve as we get towards the end of the week. Thank you for watching. Be sure to check Facebook Flagler Weather Info for additional updates.